These furnaces are made in Mexico by Nordyne and they are only available through their limited dealer network. The MG2S models are 95% efficient gas-fired units that feature smart light control for a longer igniter life. They also have a corrosion-resistant stainless steel secondary heat exchanger. The CMF3 model is a standard 80% efficient gas unit, but the warranty on the gas furnaces is not very good when compared to other brands. The M5 model is a basic oil furnace with an 83% AFUE combustion efficiency, while the CMF95 model is a condensing high-efficiency oil furnace. The E7 is an electric furnace that is backed by a decent guarantee, but they use basic PSC blower motors which are less energy efficient and less durable than ECM motors. This brand receives a 2-star don't buy rating for gas furnaces, a 3-star budget pick rating for electric furnaces, and a 4-star top pick rating for oil furnaces from HvacRepairGuy.